Welcome to WEEGO Export-Import Joint Stock Company. We are a top and reputable import-export company in Vietnam, serving customers all around the world. WEEGO operates with three criteria: prestige, responsibility, and success. WEEGO means always moving, always expanding, and cooperating for growth. Therefore, what we would like to say is, we, not I, thrive and find success together. Our second plywood factory is located in Quang, Binh province, surrounded by 27,000 hectares of artificial forest. We mainly peel and air dry veneers directly in our factory, 60 cbm. After that, we classify the veneers and dry them again in our drying system. This modern system allows us to dry 150 cubic meter of veneer every day. It only takes 2 minutes to dry the veneers to the moisture content of 12%, instead of waiting for 1 to 2 days like old technology kilns. In order to prepare the highest quality veneers for plywood, we also thin down and punch ripped teeth edges to help reduce the overlap between two veneers when being put together. Moreover, defects in the veneers are punched out with a punching machine to ensure our plywood core quality. The next step is to sew veneers with plastic threads to ensure the flatness and to fix the position of veneers during the pressing times, giving our plywood flawless core quality. Now we cover veneers with glue. The veneer will go through a glue spreading machine so a specific kind of glue can be covered all over the veneer surface. Veneers are then laid up on a conveyor to form the required thickness of plywood pressed later on. Cold press. The veneers are pressed to shape the bond in the layers of the board. Our workers now will check the plywood core to see if veneers are properly glued and the surface is flat. They will handle the defects before putting the core into the hot press machine. The laid up assembly of veneers is then sent to a hot press machine, in which it is consolidated under heat and pressure. The pressing force of this machine is 6 pistons instead of 3 pistons like conventional factories, which creates the finest bond between veneers, hence the highest durability of the plywood boards. We now let out the plywood core for cooling down, check the surface, and handle defects. Another layer of best quality core veneer is put outside the pressed core, and the whole board is sent to the cold and hot press again. This step gives the board face perfect flatness, smoothness, and bright color. After the second time of hot press, the cores are trimmed to the right sizes, defects are treated, and the surfaces are sanded. At last, we cover the core with the face layer, as requested, and put the plywood boards through the third time of cold and hot press. The finished boards are sanded once again for the perfect faces. Now, the finished goods are stored in our warehouse and packed before delivery.